In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buffer time to your calendar with Calendly. Whether you're a business professional, a freelancer, or anyone who heavily relies on scheduling, adding buffer times can be a game changer for ensuring your day runs smoothly. Now, let's dive into the process so you can start managing your time even more effectively. Start by navigating to your Calendly dashboard where you have your event types listed. Find the specific event type for which you want to add a buffer time and click on More Options. This is where you can customize details for your meetings or appointments, so it's an important step to fine-tune your scheduling preferences. Once in the Options menu, you'll find a tab labeled Limits and Buffers. This section is essential for setting the constraints of your calendar, ensuring that you don't overbook yourself and have those precious moments in between meetings to regroup and prepare for what's next. It's like giving yourself some breathing space during a busy day, which can greatly enhance your productivity and ease. Clicking on Limits and Buffers will reveal several settings. Here you'll choose Set Buffer Time. This step allows you to determine the downtime between your scheduled events. For instance, if you're conducting interviews and find that each one takes about 30 minutes, a buffer of an additional 30 minutes would be ideal. This extra time ensures you're not rushing from one meeting to the next, and it gives you a chance to jot down notes, refresh, or simply take a break to recharge. Once you've decided on the amount of buffer time that works for you, simply save changes. This is crucial because failing to save means you'll have to repeat the process, and we want to make sure everything is set correctly the first time around. And there you have it. You've successfully added buffer time to your calendar using Calendly. This small adjustment can make a significant difference in how you handle your daily schedule. It's not just about creating space between appointments, it's about enhancing your focus and energy levels throughout the day. By taking these proactive steps, you're ensuring that each meeting is as productive as possible without feeling rushed or overwhelmed. Remember, the goal with buffer times is to create a more balanced day where you can handle tasks with precision and care. It's an excellent way to prevent burnout and ensure you're at your best for every task and meeting. With this newly acquired skill, you're well on your way to mastering time management with Calendly. Here's to a more organized schedule and a more productive you.